All right, we are anchored here at an unknown location. I know, our friends don't tell our secret anchorage. And we're gonna put Snubber on.
Yes,
Dave?
we are.
All right, what are you gonna do?
So this is this works very well. I know it because when it's not on, we hear the chain rubbing against the seabed floor, and when it's on, we don't.
And where did you get all the parts to make that?
So it's pretty straightforward. You just need to get a clip. I made this up myself, and so I clip it onto the chain, and I'll let it down. There it goes. And what I end up doing is, when it's down like that, I will then clean it off on that, and clean it off on here, and then we can let some more out so that the weight of the chain is suspended like that, and now all of the weight is on the lines that I just deployed, and all of the sound that from the rubbing of the rocks, of the anchor and the chain on the rocks down below, will be muted almost by the line that we have now attached. And it doesn't. The theory is that the sound comes straight up onto the chain and into your boat. So now the sound of the chain rubbing on the rocks will stop at these lines right here.
But it also takes the weight off the windlass.
And it takes the weight off the windlass, and
you refer to it as a snubber or a bridle?
a snubber.
All right. All right, there you go.
That's all we got.
All right, see you in the water.